Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diskita Wulan. Today topic Sociolinguistic Project 2. Topics Part 1. Definition of style, factor influence style, importance of style, types of style, purpose of style, benefit of style. Definition. Style in sociolinguistics is the set choice. A speaker makes sense as word choice, pronunciation, grammar, and tone depending on the situation in which they are speaking. These choices are influenced by factors such as the speaker's relationship with the listeners, the settings, the topics, and the degree of formality required. Factors influence 1. Context of situation. The most immediate and influential factor is the situation in which the speech occurs. Setting. Where is the conversation happening? Classroom, courtroom, home, party. Topic. What is being discussed? Discussing politics versus talking about lunch. Function or purpose. Why is the speaker talking? To inform, persuade, entertain, request. 2. Relationship between speaker and listener or social roles, the relative status, familiarity, and intimacy between participants affect style, power difference, talking to a boss formal versus talking to a peer informal. Familiarity, close friends often use a more casual or intimate style. Respect or politeness, formality increase with greater social distance. Audience design. According to sociolinguistic Alan Bell, speakers adjust their style based on who is listening, not just where or why they are speaking. Speakers often match their language to the expectation of their audience. We tend to speak differently to strangers, friends, authority figures, children. Important. Expressing social identity style help individuals signal who they are in terms of age, gender, region, class, ethnicity, or group membership. Example is a person might ask youth slang to identify as part of a younger generation or formal speech to align with professional norms. Adjusting to social context or situational appropriateness style allows speakers to adapt their language to different situations such as formal meeting, friendly conversation, ceremonial event. Example is using formal language in a job interview show professionalism while using casual language with friend faster closeness. Building and managing relationship style influence how we relate to others. Formal style can create distance or respect. Informal style builds familiarity and solidarity. In polite societies, using a respectful or indirect style show difference to elders or authority figures. Types 1. Martin Jones 5 style. Frozen or static. Fixes ritualistic, often memorized. Language doesn't change with the speaker or audience. Example is National Anthem, legal age, religious text. Uh, Martin Jones 5 style as formal use is professional or ceremonial settings. One-way communication, complete grammar. Example is speech, academic, lecture. Consultative. Two-way communication, formal use with stranger or professional. Example is teacher, student, doctor, patient. 2. William Labov, attention-based style, casual style. Natural conversation when relaxed or unaware of being observed. Careful style, used when speaker becomes more aware of their language. Reading style, reading a passage aloud. Formal style, used interview or public settings. Frozen style, recording facing text or same as just. Purpose, texting social identity. Speaker use different style, formal versus informal, standard versus non-standard, to express aspect of their identity such as age, gender, ethnicity, class, or regional background. Example is a speaker might use African American vernacular English or AAVA in some setting to signal solidarity. Managing social relationship style help negotiate power dynamics and relationship, showing respect, intimacy, or authority. Example is using a formal register with a boss versus an informal one with a friend. Contextual appropriateness style see how align speech with the situational context. Different setting call for different linguistic behaviors. Example is a courtroom lawyer using legal jargon in court but casual speech with college. Benefit, facilities effective communication style, allows speakers to adjust their language to suit different social contexts. Example is speaking formally in a job interview versus casual with friend, improve clarity and opportunity. Build and maintains social relationship using appropriate style help manage politeness, respect, intimacy, and authority in conversation. Example, a teacher shifting tone when speaking to student versus college show role awareness. Express identity style reflect aspect of a speaker identity such as age, gender, ethnicity, region, and social class. Example is a speaker might use regional dialect or cultural slang to express pride in their background. Topic part 2. Definition of context, factor influence of context, importance of context, benefit of context. Sociolinguistic context refer to the external factor that surround and in communication. This factor determine language is used, how it changes, and how interpreted by others. Context help explain why people different depending on the situation, who the talking to, or the cultural settings. Factors. Participant who is speaking and who is being spoken to influence tone, level or formality and vocabulary includes age, gender, social status, relationship, friends, stranger, college. Setting, place, and time. The physical location and time of day can affect speech, formal versus informal. Environment lead to different style. Example, home versus school, morning meeting versus evening party. Importance. Explain language variation. Context help use understand why people speak differently. Clarify meaning. The same words can mean different things in different contexts. Shape appropriate language use. Context teachers use what is considered polite, formal, or rude in given situation. Refer social identity and group membership. Language used in context reflect a speaker's social identity such as age, gender, ethnicity, region, or class. The benefit is explain language orientation, context help users understand why language differs across speaker region, social group, and situation. Clarifies meaning, context enable listener or readers to interpret the intended meaning of words, especially when they are ambiguous. Promote effective communication, understanding the context ensure that speakers use language that is appropriate to the situation and the audience. Topics Part 3. Definition of register, factor influence of register, purpose of register, benefit of register. Definition. In sociolinguistics, refers to a variety or style of language used in a particular social setting or for a specific purpose. It involves orientation in vocabulary, grammar, tone, and familiarity depending on the situation, audience, and topic. The factor is what topic or subject matters. The context or subject of the communication determines the vocabulary and complexity, tenor participant and their relationship. The participant between speakers affect the level of formality and politeness. Mode, channel, and communication. Written texts often have more complex grammar and vocabulary. Spoken language might be more informal and indirect. Purpose function of communication. The goals of the instruction to inform, persuade, entertain, influence language style. Importance. Help explain language variation. Registers show how people adjust their language depending on the situation. Facilitate appropriate communication. Understanding register helps speakers choose the right level of formality and style. Reflect social relation. Register reflect power dynamics, social rules, and relationship between speakers. Support identity expression. People use different registers to express identity, group membership, and social status. Purpose. Ensure appropriate language use. Register helps speakers choose the right tone, vocabulary, and structure for different social situations. Facilitates clear communication. Adapting language to suit the context makes it easier for the listener to understand the speaker message. Reflect and maintain social relationship. Register show social rules, power dynamic, and familiarity between speakers, support social identity and group belonging. Register allow individuals to signal their membership in a particular group or community. Professional, academic, regional. Benefit. Promotes effective and appropriate communication. Register helps speakers tailor their language to fit the social situation, audience, and purpose. Reflect and maintain social relationship by using the appropriate register. Speakers show respect, familiarity, or authority. This helps maintain healthy relationship in both personal and professional settings. Topic Part 4. Benefit of stereotypes, factor influence stereotype, importance of stereotypes, between of stereotype. Is not a stereotype are often harmful, but in certain contexts, understanding them can serve useful purpose. Definition. Stereotypes are generalist and fixed belief or assumption about a group of people based on characteristics such as race, gender, age, nationality, religion, or profession. They often offer simplicity or exaggerate traits leading to expectations that might not apply to all individuals in the group. Factors 1. Cultural and social norms, belief passed down through families, media, and tradition. 2. Media representation reported particular of group in a certain way can reverse stereotypes education and upbringing. Early exposure to biased views or limited perspective can shaping thinking. Personal experience, individual encounters, positive or negative, with member of a group. 5. Peer influence prime community or societal groups can reinforce share stereotype, historical context, lasting social inequalities, or even shape proportion. Importance raises awareness of bias and prejudice, helps reduce discrimination by recognizing unfair general, generalization, promotes empathy and inclusion by encouraging article thinking about diversity, improve communication across culture or social groups. The benefit is cognitive efficiency, help people quickly categorize information in complex environment, group identity formation, shares cultural stereotype, my foster a sense of belong through. This can be double-edged anticipant of behavior may assist in understanding group norms or social expectations. Useful in a cross-cultural setting, opportunity for challenge, recognizing a stereotype allow individuals or situations to actively question and dismantle it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.